Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Journey to Health with Ceels. Now guys, I'm very excited today about this amazing Forever Young scrub I'm going to be sharing with you. This scrub promises to scrub 10 years of your skin, and you know what, I can tell you this because we're going to be using some amazing ingredients in this scrub today. We're going to be using some of my favorite ingredients, guys, and you know what, those pores are going to be deep cleaned today, and also as they're deep cleaned, they're going to be nurtured, nourished, and moisturized. I'm sure you want to see how to do this. So if this is something that you're interested in watching, come along with me. I'm going to show you how to put it together, deep clean those pores to get that gorgeous, beautiful, glowing looking skin that you're looking for. Now everyone, for our Forever Young scrub, we have our ingredients here. As you can see, we have 1 lemon that I have cut in half, 2 halves. We have 1 teaspoon baking soda. We have 1 tablespoon brown sugar. And we have our melted coconut oil that I have immersed in warm water so it stays melted. I'm going to show you how I put it together and apply it to my skin to get that deep clean that we're looking for. Now guys, we're using the lemon in our DIY today because, as you know, it's such a versatile citrus fruit. It has amazing detoxifying benefits to our skin, and you know, it's excellent at treating our skin conditions like acne, hyperpigmentation, and as you know, it also deep cleans our pores. So I love to use lemon. You know, lemon is a natural light skin lightener. You know, if you want to, you know, lighten your skin, maybe not lighten, it's not a bleaching agent per se. It's just a way to give it a beautiful, flawless looking skin, removing all the dead skin cells away from your skin. So I love to use lemon as a part of my DIY, especially when I'm doing scrubbing, because this should be an important part of your routine. If you're not doing your scrub, you need to at least have your scrub done once per week to remove all that dead cells that you have building up on your skin. Not only does lemon lightens our stubborn age spots and brighten our uneven, dull looking skin, but it also helps to lighten dark hair on our face, believe it or not. So if you have hair on your face, that's something that you want to be able to use lemon on as well. And it also increases collagen to our skin. Our bodies contain this particular protein, but you know, as we age, it breaks down, and so this is what causes the fine lines and wrinkles that we're experiencing. But you know, although we're getting older, it doesn't mean that we can't take care of our skin. You know, God give us amazing bodies, and so we ought to take care of our skin. You know, the biggest organ. This is something that we have to take care of, guys. We can actually slow the aging process using simple DIY that we're doing today. And so another beautiful benefit about using lemon in our DIYs is that it fights pimples and inflammatory acne. So if you're someone who is suffering from acne, this is a very important ingredient to use in your DIY. It has acidic properties. It also tackles bacteria that causes inflammatory acne. The citric acid in lemons remove dead skin cells that clogs our pores from time to time, and this is what causes us to develop acne and blackheads. It also has astringent properties that prevents breakouts on our skin, and it also prevents those breakouts from becoming worse. You know, dull skin is usually a result of damaged skin from the environmental, you know, factors that we experience. You know, oxidative stress is one of them. So when we use lemon on our skin, it really does remove those discoloration and even out our skin tone so that we can look flawlessly beautiful. It's also a powerful antioxidant, and it boosts collagen production and prevent free radical damage. So, you know, we're using lemon today because it's going to help us to shrink those large open pores that we often develop from time to time. We're going to be using baking soda in our DIY today, and as you know, baking soda has excellent exfoliating, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that makes it perfect in our DIY skincare regimen. And so, you know, if you want to, for some people it might be a little bit too harsh on your skin, so always do a patch test. You know, I always encourage you that if you're doing these DIYs at home, always try to ensure that these ingredients that you're using is not too harsh on your skin. Now, baking soda, when it's combined with lemons, you know, it boosts collagen levels even more in our skin, guys. And so this is one of the reasons why we're using it today. It's excellent at getting rid of dead skin cells that accumulates on our skin from time to time. And so, you know, using it to scrub our skin is really going to take off that dead layer of the skin. And that is the reason why we're using it today, to scrub away 10 years off our skin. Now, if you're a person that suffers from excessive oily skin, baking soda it should be a part of your recipe. It should be a part of your skincare regimen. So this is a perfect ingredient to combine with the lemon in our DIY today. Now, the next ingredient that we're going to be using in our DIY today is sugar. And I'm using brown sugar today, but you can also use white sugar. And as we know, sugar is super exfoliating. It's a powerful antioxidant, rich, and should be included in every skincare routine. It's a source of glycolic acid, which is the smallest alpha hydroxy acid. And you know, the smaller the size, these molecules can penetrate deep into our skin to loosen the bonds of our skin cells and promote new skin cells growth. Now, sugar facials are far better than the artificial glycolic treatment. You know, guys, you know, when we go to the store, if you go to Sephora, you can get brown sugar scrub at a very, very decent price. And here you are, you're taking ingredients from your kitchen and using it to give you that beautiful, flawless looking skin. You know, brown sugar is a natural humectant, and what that means, guys, is that it takes the moisture from the atmosphere and takes it to your skin. It draws all that moisture from the environment and transfers it into your skin. That's a beautiful thing. And it also serves as a natural moisturizer to keep our skin soft and fully hydrated. So this is a beautiful ingredient to include in our DIY today. And I'm really excited about including it as a part of our DIY facial today. It's going to give us that beautiful, radiant glow. And it's also going to remove any scars. You know, if you have scars, I'm using it on the scars that I have on my hand. Like, I mean, I'm not someone that is free of scars. I mean, I do have scars on my hand. I'm using it on these hyperpigmentation that I have going on. And I've seen amazing results from using this. So the next ingredient that we're going to be using, guys, is coconut oil. And those of you who have been watching my channel for a while knows that coconut oil is one of my favorite ingredients in my DIY. You know, it's a nourishing fatty acid, and it hydrates and protects our skin. It also has lauric acid, which has antibacterial properties. And you know, this particular ingredient, you know, it helps to boost our skin's protective barrier, and it traps moisture inside of our skin to keep it supple, hydrated, and moisturized. And you know, the lauric acid also in coconut oil, it increases the collagen production. It helps our skin maintain its firmness and elasticity, thus eliminating the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. I'm going to show you how to put it together. So I'm going to use this 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and I'm also going to combine with the 1 teaspoon of the baking soda. I'm trying to get rid of all the lumps from the baking soda, and if there are any lumps in the sugar, I'm just trying to get rid of that as well. And we're going to apply 1 teaspoon coconut oil. I'm going to apply a 2nd teaspoon of the coconut oil just to make sure we have adequate in our container. We don't want the mixture to be overly dry, so we want to be able to mix all the ingredients together and have it ready to apply to our skin. So this is what it looks like, guys. Okay, it's not liquidy. Okay, it needs to have a little thickness to it so that when you apply it to the lemon, you know, it stays on the lemon. It doesn't run off or flow off the lemon. You want it to be able to stay on the lemon so that you can apply it to your skin. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now guys, so it's time to apply the scrub on our skin, to use it to scrub our skin. Now, as I said before, make sure that you're not sensitive to the lemon, because I'm actually applying it directly to the lemon. I'm actually putting some of the mixture onto the lemon, and this is what I'm going to use to scrub my skin. If you are overly sensitive to citric products, if this is a little bit too harsh on your skin, you can replace the lemon with orange. Okay, so I basically put it on, and as you can see, there's a little bit of reaction, chemical reaction going on between the sodium bicarbonate and the lemon, but that's okay. That this is what is going to deep clean our skin. Okay, so all I do, I just basically go in circular motion. Now guys, don't worry about it. There's going to be some mess, but that's okay. You can clean up afterwards. Now guys, as you notice, I'm cleaning my skin, and there I'm getting some little redness on my skin right there. Don't worry about it. It's gonna go within a couple hours. The most important thing that you're doing right now, you're cleaning those pores. And it is very, very important, guys, that you clean those pores on a regular basis. Now, you cannot have a skincare routine without cleaning your pores. Okay? You have to remove all those dead skin cells. That is how you're going to get that gorgeous, glowing looking skin. And as I always say to you, whatever you're doing on your face, you should always take it down on your neck and also your chest area. You want to make sure that, you know, you have the same color looking skin or same color looking complexion from your face to your neck and your chest area. And so if you're removing all those dead skin cells from your face and you're not doing it to your chest area or to your neck, then you're going to have discoloration. You're going to have to develop hyperpigmentation in one area. So one area is going to look flawless and the other is going to look hyperpigmented or discolored, and we don't want that. Okay, so you can see, guys, you can see that redness coming up on my face. Now, if I need to apply a little bit more, I just go right ahead and I keep applying until I feel that my skin has been fully cleansed. Okay, you can see it feels amazing, guys. And you know what, you can see the glow already on my skin. I mean, who knows that a scrub could actually give you such beautiful glow. And here I am getting a beautiful, flawless looking glow as I clean my pores, removing all those dead skin cells. So you just keep on doing this, guys, until you feel like. Now guys, as you can see, look how flawlessly beautiful my face is already, and I can actually feel the sugar and all the ingredients together. I can actually feel all the ingredients working together to tighten my skin. You know, so it not only cleans my pores, but it's also pulling them together. You know, so this is an amazing scrub, guys, and that's one of the reasons why I told you, that's one of the reasons why it's called the Forever Young Scrub. This is a scrub that's going to keep you flawlessly glowing as long as you keep it in your skincare routine. Now guys, this is what my face looks like after keeping it on for about 10-15 minutes. It's very tight on my face, very tight on my skin, but you know what, it really feels amazing. And what I also did, I also took it on my lips. I use it to scrub my lips, and you know, this is an amazing way to also remove those dead skin layer from your lips. So I also took it on my lips, and guys, trust me, this is an amazing way. You know, you can take it any part of your body. This is a natural scrub that you can take anywhere on your body, and it's gonna give you that beautiful, gorgeous looking glow. Now you can take a look at my skin, how glowing and beautiful it looks. You know, So I'm going to wash this off and I'm going to come and show you my results. Stay tuned. Now guys, here are my results, and I'm sure you'll agree this is a scrub that you're going to want to keep in your DIY. All I'm going to be doing right now is apply a little bit of coconut oil, aloe vera juice, and tea tree oil. And trust me guys, you're going to get that flawless looking glow. And you know what? You can actually use this scrub once per week. And the beauty about this scrub is you can use up all the ingredients in one night. Now guys, take a look at my skin. Beautiful, flawless, glowing looking skin. Now guys, as I said before, the redness that you're seeing right now will go within a couple hours. That's going to take care of itself. But all the ingredients, all the amazing ingredients that you just used in this scrub is going to take care of that. Now you have beautiful, clear, gorgeous looking pores that's going to keep your skin glowing, youthful, and flawless. So if this is a video that you enjoy watching guys, please go ahead and like the video so that others will be able to be inspired by the video. And also if you have not yet joined the family, I invite you to come and join the family. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family. I upload videos twice per week, and I know that many of you have been inspired because you've been reaching out to me, letting me know that you're trying out all these ingredients, all these recipes. I'm very happy to hear from you when I do, so I want to encourage you to keep the comments coming. It really does inspire me and to keep me going, and let me know, if there are other video types of videos that you would like to see on the channel. I would welcome that feedback from you as well. Until then, cheers to your great health and beautiful, gorgeous, great looking skin from Journey to Health with Ceels. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.